Hi, welcome to a Sewing Tuesday. So today we are working on this and actually sewing in the spine. There is 6 holes in this, and I'll show you how I do that. I really love how this turned out. So let's get cracking today. So what we're going to do is, I do not have my binder clips I normally use. They're in the garage because I've been working on wood projects. So what we're doing is I'm going to just use some paper clips. And here we go. Let's flip this over. Make sure it gets right into where it needs to go. Oh, that one did not come on right. All right, so I hope everyone is doing good. And thank you for joining me today. I really appreciate that. So what I'm going to do is just taking this is a quilter ruler. Pick it over to this way, and this is roughly 10 inches. So I'm going to go two down, and now we're going to do a 1.5 from the top. I don't know how many we're going to wind up getting, but I want to go 1.5 from the top, and we're going to try and get that poked all the way through. Here we go. As you can see, it went through the other end. And now I'm going to go another 1.5, and we're just going to keep going 1.5 all the way down. So I think we're going to use this for the binding, and I do 3 widths, so let me pull this out for 3. And I'm going to do, actually, because I'm doing a different, I'm going to pull out 4. And let's see if I can find my scissors. There we go. All right, so I got my needle. This is a, yeah. There we go. All right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 6 holes. So I'm actually going to start right here and go up. I'm going to work my way down. So I'm going to go through the hole right there. Try to get all the way through. There we go. And make sure that is, look at that, got caught right there. Good thing I checked that, right? And we're going to go through this one. It's kind of going to be like a figure 8 almost, because now I'm going to go back through this hole right here. Hope you guys can see that, and to make it through all the holes. Dang it. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we can either just do 2, 2, and keep going down that way, But what I want to do is we are going to go back up this hole. And then down this hole, and that's going to give us a coverage for the outside, just to make it a little bit nicer. And again, make sure it doesn't snag on the front top cover, which this is. There we go. And then I'm going to go up this. So I am skipping this hole. And I'm going to go to this top one. And I know that's where the hole is, but okay. Sometimes they just don't want to cooperate, right? Especially if you don't get the needle in there just right. Like this one is being a little turd. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take my needle, stick this through again. This is a different one than what I poked my holes with. And look at that, we got it straight through. And now I have my finger right where it is. I think I wasn't poking through the right hole because sometimes fabric will, you know, just really can't tell. Okay. So there we go. Now I'm going to go through this one. And again, you don't want to go through, like, careful when you go in that you're not getting your previous thread, okay? There you go. Now I'm going to start working and pulling these a little tighter in just a minute. I am holding this down so I can get this in here. There we go. Okay, I'm pulling this out. And again, you want to make sure things are tight. So, see, that's a little loose. So what I'm going to do is just take these and tighten these as I go. So I'm pulling these up. Hopefully this is going to work. There we go. And you just want to make sure you have a severe. Here we go. Now these look good. And this is, oh, we don't need those. We can take those off now. Most of them have fallen off on their own. Okay. See, that's really tight right there. All right, so we'll just tie a knot and we are good to go. I like to knot it at least 3 times. You really don't have to. It's just something I prefer. And there we go. You can use that for a little book. All right, so we have done 2, 4, 6 holes in this one because it's a lot bigger. And look at how nice that looks. There we go. So I hope you like this quick tutorial on how to sew your binding in for a larger book than what you normally would do. Look how nice that looks. So excited. This is going to be really fun. So we will work on decorating this and call it done. So if you like this, please give it a thumbs up so I know to make more content this way, and think of subscribing. You guys are fabulous. Thanks for joining me. Bye.